we're going to look at motion maps some more. We're going to talk about what we do and how we do it to create these maps. Let's say we have a graph that is position and time that looks like this. Okay, if you break that graph up into parts, A, B, and C, what's going on? In A, we start at some point away from the origin in the positive direction. So we start away from origin. Positive location. And we move even further away. Which is a positive direction. In B, we're not moving at all. We're still. And in C, we're moving back towards the origin. So we're moving in the negative direction. So we get these looking graphs. Well, how does that relate to velocity? Why do we want to know that? Well, we know the slope is our velocity. So let's look at a position time that does that. And we want to convert that to a velocity time graph. The first thing we have to do, since I haven't put down any times, is to get a reference with time. So how I'm going to do that is just draw me a dashed line about from one to the other. Okay, so we know we start off at some positive velocity. Well, we know it's positive because it's going up. We don't know the number, so again, our velocities have no numbers, so we're just going to put it down. I'm going to say it's here. Now in part B, we're standing still. So we know that number. We're not moving, so that's 0. So we know where 0 is. And on the C part, we're moving back towards the origin, so we have a negative velocity. We don't know what it is. It looks to be about the same slope as the other one, so I'm going to put it about the same distance. Okay, so this is what our velocity time graph looks like for the graph that I drew. Well, let's look at another one. Okay, again, let's draw our time and indicate where our times are so we know where the changes occur. Okay, we have a negative slope. It looks like it's medium steepness, so that's down here. Let's make it blue so we stick with our colors. Then we're stopped. Then we move positive direction, and it's not as steep as the other one, so let's not go up as high. And then we stop again. There's our velocity time graph. Now we have this one. Ooh, it looks really steep in a spot. So let's go ahead and do our time. How we know where the changes occur. Okay, we start off stationary. Then we move in the negative direction. And it's not that steep. Then we move in the positive direction, and it's really steep. So I'm going to make it up there. And then we move, and we stop. And we finished our velocity time graphs. Velocity time graphs are not that difficult. I hope this helped. If not, track me down.